Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-C8A reverser angle mounting bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-C8A reverse angle mounting bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. This is going to be part of the leverage, the gear change leverage, or brakes, or whatever's on the old trucks. we'll get it all together. So open up template MMGS, click save. It's going to be 1-C8A. So we'll do this on the right hand plane, normal 2, and we're going to do a line. So it's going to go like an L shape, backwards L shape. Done. Beautiful. Smart dimension is going to be the 6mm wide, or thickness, 6mm. Yep. Now this part's gonna be 26, and this one's gonna be 26 as well. Okay, that makes it easier. That's that done. Okay, so now we need to go to feature extrude. It's gonna be a total of 81. Yeah, 81. And okay. Pretty beefy piece. Okay, so now we want this piece here, normalize, sketch, and we need to cut a triangle off the corner there. That's going to be, and I've got a funny feeling I can't change that. I did. No, I thought it clicked in. Thought it clicked in there. Oh, hold on. This line, the 2 dots. I didn't realize I didn't join them up. Oh, no, undo that one. Thank you. Let's try that again. That's going to be 20. Now we want mirror to entities be these 3 here. Then mirror about's going to be on the right plane. There we go. Okay. That looks good. Yep. Also, we've got 2 holes. We might do the 2 holes too. So we got hole and hole. These 2 are going to be horizontal. That's going to be 8mm hole. 8mm. 2 holes, so I'm going to do it that way. It's just quick. So, measurement still. So between these 2, going to be 35. When the outer edge is going to be 33. Oh, I looked at the wrong measurement. Hold on. Well, I looked at it, I thought something wasn't right. Okay, so this one here. Nope, that's not one. Yes, that sketch. Thank you. Oh, that's not what I want. No. I want extrude. Oh, there is. It's got to be 101, sorry. Okay. And close that one. Open up the sketch. There we go. That's better. That's better. Yeah, I was looking at that, thought that's seemed too chunky when I said that. So, well, that's it. If you make a mistake, that's how you can do it. So that's 33. That's better. 33, perfect. We still need to go up. So it's going to be 16 from there to there. 16. Everything locked in. Beautiful. Go back features, extrude, cut. Through all, and done. There we go. That looks better. Well, it still seems a little bit chunky, but that's better. Okay, so this plate here, go to normal 2, and yeah, I was just looking. That's square. There's no chamfer or flare. That's fine. So we want sketch. We want 3 circles. 1, 2, and 3. These are 6 mil. 6. I'll do it this way to show you can do it this way. Just works good. Then that's going to be, you'll recognize this number, 40.5, which is half 41. I'm sorry, 91. So 40.1, 0.5, sorry. There we go. It's going to be from this side to there. It's going to be 16. This point, not in our measurement, but this, and that point's going to be vertical. Why does it not lock that one in? Oh, I see why. These 3 are going to be horizontal. There you go. Now they're locked in. I think I've done that, haven't yet. So now we go feature, extrude, cut, through all, and okay. And that is all for that piece. So we've got the 3 holes, 2 holes. Yep, that looks good. Just put that in perspective. There we go. So that is it for that piece. That is part 1-C8A. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And thank you for everyone who has subscribed. Got any comments, leave them below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.